How to win a Victory Lottery jackpot every day. On this video, I will be very detailed and transparent for the complete guide and steps and rules to consider in winning and finding the jackpot numbers to play. We will get the Victory Lottery previous results for 3 days. Here are a 3 days previous result based on actual draw. Day 1, Day 2, and Day 3. Previous results for 3 days. Now we will identify the numbers of skip based on the current draw. Now, based on the result from previous results and the number of skip, these are key number selection. And one from the current draw that is next to be trending. Draw, these are the best winning number to hit the jackpot on the next current draws. These are the secret rules. If double is present, it will not be drawn in 2 to 3 draws interval. Number 2, 1 or 2 numbers will always return on the next draw. If triple is present 100%, it will not be drawn on a 2 to 4 draws. Bonus tip, the set of 8 combination that will always make you win 2 out of 3 ratio. So as you can see, these are the 8 combination. Backtest this, lottery result, and see and test. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.